Yo, 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 what's good, people? Welcome back to Biomedtainment, where we make science funny because, let's be honest, y'all wasn't paying attention in biology class anyway. I'm your host, Taka, and today we're talking about something that's been affecting humanity since the beginning of time. Did you know that over 50% of people experience an itchy scalp at some point in their lives? Let's find out how to fix that. But first, can we talk about how awkward it is when your scalp itches in public? You ever be in a meeting, trying to look professional, and your head starts itching like you got a whole ant colony up there? You trying to scratch it low-key, doing that little head pat thing, acting like you're just thinking real hard. Meanwhile, everybody knows what you're doing. All right, let me put y'all on game. So your scalp is basically skin, right? It's got all the same stuff as the rest of your skin, but with a whole forest of hair on top. And when your scalp gets irritated, it's like your head is sending you a text message like, "Yo, we got a problem up here." Now, there's mad different reasons why your scalp be itching. Let me break them down for you. First up, we got dandruff. And yo, dandruff don't care about your plans. You could be on a first date, looking fresh, outfit on point, and then boom, you look down and your shoulders looking like it just snowed. In July. So here's the science. Dandruff is usually caused by this little fungus called malassezia. Now before y'all panic, everybody got this fungus on their scalp. It's normal. But for some people it overgrows and starts breaking down the oils on your scalp, which irritates your skin and causes flaking. And let me tell you something. This fungus got no chill. It's like that one friend who shows up to your house uninvited and starts eating all your food. Bro, who invited you? Why you eating my cereal? The fix? Get yourself a good anti-dandruff shampoo with ingredients like zinc pyrithione or ketoconazole. These ingredients are basically bouncers for your scalp. They tell that fungus, "Hey, you gotta go, my guy. We at capacity." Next up, we got dry scalp. This is different from dandruff, even though people mix them up all the time. Dry scalp is like when your skin is just dehydrated, man. It's thirsty. You know how in winter your hands get all dry and ashy? Same thing happening on your head, but your hair is hiding it like, "Nah, we good." Meanwhile, your scalp is under there suffering, talking about, "Can somebody get me some moisturizer? Please? Anybody?" Dry scalp usually happens when you're washing your hair too much, using harsh shampoos or living in dry climates. Or if you one of them people who takes them scalding hot showers. I'm talking about showers so hot you coming out looking like a lobster. The solution? Wash your hair less. I know, some of y'all just gasped. But listen, you don't need to wash your hair every single day unless you're working construction or running marathons. Your scalp produces natural oils called sebum, and you need some of that to keep your scalp healthy. Also, get a gentle, moisturizing shampoo and maybe use some coconut oil or jojoba oil on your scalp. Just don't go crazy with it. You don't want to look like you dipped your head in a deep fryer. We want moisturized, not marinated. All right, number 3, product buildup. This one's for all my people out there using 17 different products in their hair. Hair gel, mousse, leave-in conditioner, edge control, hairspray, that one mystery product your grandma gave you. All of it just sitting on your scalp like a whole science experiment. You ever peel back a wig and see all that residue? Yeah, that's what's happening under your regular hair too if you're not washing it properly. It's like your scalp is wearing a turtleneck it can't take off. Your scalp under there screaming, "I can't breathe." The science behind this is simple. When products build up, they can clog your hair follicles and irritate your scalp. Plus, bacteria and fungi love hanging out in that gunk. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for them. The fix? Clarifying shampoo once a week. Think of it like a pressure washer for your scalp. It strips away all that buildup and gives your scalp a fresh start. Just don't overdo it, because clarifying shampoos are strong, and you don't want to strip away all your natural oils. We're trying to clean the house, not burn it down. Now let's talk about the more serious stuff, scalp psoriasis and eczema. These are actual medical conditions, and they ain't no joke. Psoriasis is when your skin cells grow too fast. Normally, your skin cells take about a month to regenerate, but with psoriasis, they're doing it in like 3 to 4 days. Your skin cells are overachievers, showing up to work early, doing too much. Nobody asked for all that. This causes thick, scaly patches on your scalp that are red, itchy, and sometimes even painful. It's your immune system acting up, basically attacking your own skin cells by mistake. Your immune system is confused, out here fighting the wrong battles. Eczema is similar but different. It makes your scalp super dry, inflamed, and itchy. Both of these conditions need proper treatment, so if you think you got them, you need to see a dermatologist. Don't be out here self-diagnosing with Google. Google will have you thinking you dying from a paper cut. Alright, let me give you all some general tips to keep your scalp healthy and itch-free. Number 1. Don't scratch. I know. Easier said than done. But when you scratch, you can damage your scalp and make the itching worse. It's a whole vicious cycle. Instead, try gently massaging your scalp or using a scalp massager brush. That way you still get that satisfaction without tearing up your skin. Number 2. Watch what you eat. Yeah, I said it. Your diet affects your skin and scalp too. If you're eating nothing but hot Cheetos and energy drinks, your body's gonna be mad at you. Drink water, eat foods rich in omega-3s like salmon, and get your vitamins in. Your scalp will thank you. Number 3. Manage your stress. Stress makes everything worse, including your scalp. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can mess with your skin's oil production and trigger inflammation. So do some meditation, go for a walk, watch some comedy, whatever helps you relax. Number 4. Keep your bedding clean. Your pillowcase be collecting dead skin cells, oils, bacteria, all types of stuff. Wash that thing regularly. If you sleeping on a dirty pillowcase every night, you basically marinating your scalp in nastiness for 8 hours straight. That's disgusting, yo. Alright, y'all, let's wrap this up. To summarize, if you got flaky dandruff, grab an anti-dandruff shampoo. If your scalp's dry, moisturize it and stop washing your hair every single day. If you got product buildup, use a clarifying shampoo once a week. And if you think you got psoriasis or eczema, go see a dermatologist, don't play with that. Remember, your scalp is skin too. Treat it right and it'll treat you right. You wouldn't put your face through harsh chemicals every single day, right? Well, maybe you would, I don't know your life. But most people wouldn't. The point is, be gentle with your scalp. It's been holding down all that hair for you, working overtime, never complaining. Well, until it starts itching. Then it's like, I need some attention up here. Before I go, quick story. I once had a patient who came in complaining about an itchy scalp. I asked him what products he was using, and this man pulled out a bottle of dish soap. He was washing his hair with dish soap because he said it gets the grease out. My guy, you are not a frying pan. Your scalp is not dirty dishes. We had a whole conversation about proper hair care after that. Anyway, that's it for today's episode of Biomedtainment. If you learned something, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what science topic you want me to cover next. Should we talk about why you keep biting your cheek in the same spot? Why your back cracks like bubble wrap? Let me know. Remember, stay curious, stay funny, and most importantly, stop scratching your head in public. Get that scalp right. This is Taka, and I'm out. Peace.